Today we are going to start new chapter, keeping safe. In this chapter, we will come to know that how can we keep ourselves safe from accidents. Accidents can happen when we show carelessness on the road and when we are not following the safety rules properly. Students, you might have seen safety signs at so many places. Each and every sign has its own meaning. We must know the meaning of that sign. Accidents can happen all of a sudden. They cause a lot of pain and suffering. Sometimes they cause serious injuries or a person may die. To keep ourselves safe and to avoid accidents, we must follow certain safety rules. Safety rules at home. Preventing burns. Never play with matchstick, a gas stove or a burning candle. Do not play with fire and stay away from hot objects. Be careful in the prayer room where lamps and agarbatti are burning. Whenever you are there, make sure that your parents will be present. Preventing suffocation, or when you are in the kitchen, never wear a synthetic clothes because synthetic clothes catches fire very easily. Never burn crackers in the absence of your parents or elders. Preventing suffocation, never cover your face with a plastic bag or a bedsheet or a pillow while playing. Preventing falling down, always place your toys, bags, books, shoes, etc. in their right place. Do not leave things on the floor. Sometimes a person may slip over them and get hurt. Flying kites on the roof, terrace or on a road should be avoided. Do not play on a terrace or rooftop. Always play in a park or an open ground. This is important because you can fall off from the terrace while playing. Students, don't lean from balconies. You may fall. Preventing electric shocks. Do not touch any electrical equipment with such as irons, switches or toasters with wet hands. Student, you must wear rubber slippers while touching any kind of electrical gadgets. Otherwise, you may get an electric shock. Also, never insert any kind of plug, any kind of things in the plug points. Preventing cuts, never play with sharp objects like blades, scissors and knives because these knives, scissors, blades and needles have sharp edges. If not handled carefully, they can cut your skin or it start bleeding. Do not play with cleaning materials such as phenyl. This is a chemical, bache. This is a chemical. These may be poisonous and can burn your skin. Don't touch it. Be careful while taking bath in the bathroom. You may slip on the wet floor and hurt yourself. After bathing, keep soap in the soap bath and wipe the floor. Preventing robbery. Always make sure the door is locked before you leave the house. Whenever you have to go outside with your family, no one is inside the house. At that time, make sure that the door is locked properly. Let the adult in the house open the door. Safety rules at school. Many times students you get hurt in school. You must have seen students falling on the stairs or in the playground. You should follow some safety rules in the school. Obey your teachers and be a well-behaved student. When you are behaving well, at that time you will not have to suffer from any kind of accident. In a classroom, do not jump over desks because that is a classroom. That is not your playground. Do not stand on desk. Do not climb on desks and chairs in the classroom as the edges are sharp and can hurt you. You may also fall down and get hurt. To avoid accidents, always keep the chairs and tables in an orderly manner. While leaving the classroom, you have to place the chairs and tables on the right place. Never throw chalk or any other article at others. Do not run up or down the staircase. You may collide with other students and hurt each other. Do not jump 2-3 stairs at the same time. Do not play with sharp or pointed objects such as paper cutters, blades, and pencils. Use a sharpener to sharpen pencils instead of blade. Do not slide down the banister. You may slip and fall. Do not eat food in hurry. Students, when you will eat food in a hurry, it may choke your food pipe. You will have to face difficulty in breathing. So always chew it properly. Safety when we are traveling. What kind of safety rules we have to follow when we are traveling? Students, do not play on escalators. Always, after reaching at the end of the escalator, don't stop, but move away quickly. This way, people coming behind you will get a clear way to step out. Always ensure your shoelaces tied properly and that do not caught in escalators. Always make sure that your shoelaces are tied properly. Stand on one side to wait for the elevators to arrive. Stand on one side to wait for the elevators to arrive. After reaching while walking on the road, always follow safety rules on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Use the zebra crossing or overbridge or the subway or you can say tunnel to cross the road. Start walking when the signal is green. Don't walk when the signal is red. Always look right, then left and then right again before crossing the road. Start walking when there is a green signal. Remove your headphone while crossing the road. Do not put out your head or hands of a moving vehicle. Wear seat belts while traveling in a car. Do not rush to get into the school bus. Wait for your turn. Do not get into or get off a moving bus or a train. Always stand in a queue and wait for your turn. Wear helmets when you are driving on a two-wheeler vehicles. While cycling, keep to your left. Use your hands to signal before turning left or right. Give a signal to the person coming behind on which side you are going. By this way, we can keep ourselves safe when we are traveling on the road. Don't play on the road. Thank you.